Is it legal to shoot pythons in Florida?
Welcome to our latest video. Today, we're discussing a somewhat unusual topic, but one that is important for people living in certain parts of the U.S., particularly Florida. The question we're focusing on is it legal to shoot pythons in Florida?
Florida's python problem.
Florida, specifically the Everglades, is dealing with an invasive species problem, involving the Burmese python. These non-native snakes have thrived in the Everglades, causing a significant disruption to the ecosystem. As a result, authorities have taken various measures to control the python population, which includes permitting their hunting.
What does the law say?
According to the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, FWC, it is legal to hunt and kill pythons in certain areas. These include wildlife management areas, public small game hunting areas, and wildlife and environmental areas. This is part of their python removal program, designed to protect the native wildlife and maintain the health of these ecosystems. However, the method of killing these snakes is subject to certain rules. Shooting a python is allowed, but only if it's done in a humane way. The snake should be killed instantly and painlessly. Moreover, the use of firearms is only permitted in areas where discharge of firearms is allowed.
Do you need a hunting license?
Under normal circumstances, hunting wild animals requires a license. However, for pythons in Florida, no hunting license is necessary. This is part of the effort to encourage the public to assist in the removal of these invasive creatures. That being said, you must adhere strictly to the rules laid out by the FWC to avoid any legal trouble. So, there you have it. In Florida, it's legal to shoot pythons, given that it's done humanely, in the right areas, and in accordance with the rules set out by the FWC. We hope you found this video informative. If you're considering python hunting in Florida, make sure to familiarize yourself with the rules and regulations to ensure you're helping the ecosystem responsibly and lawfully.